Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with AppReviews.com. Today I'm going to show you my upgraded network setup with the addition of the Linksys WRT 1900 ACS. That is the new main router right there. So what happens is my Cisco goes into the Linksys for the main Wi-Fi, and then hooked up to it we have one Ethernet which goes into the switch, which everything else is plugged into. It's kind of hard to see. I do have the camera in night mode, so try to make it a little bit easier, but my switch is right there. And then I have a power line Ethernet plugged into my switch, which also goes into my office, which I'll go show you now. So under my desk is the power line Ethernet that's plugged into my switch, which is also hardwired into the router. So then we have the other airport right here, which is extending both the regular network and the 5 GHz network. And also plugged into it is my computer, Xbox, and my MacBook Pro here. So everything is pretty much hardwired on my desk through this, and then this also extends the same network to this side of my house, which is pretty much in my office and my bedroom, because the 5 GHz gets a little spotty around here, and I do try to use 5 GHz where possible. I'm going to be moving my office into the other room, which has an Ethernet port in it, which connects to one downstairs. So when I do that, I'm going to have my power line plugged into the Ethernet and the other airport downstairs. This one will be in my room, and then the other one will be downstairs. So we'll have a router in the middle, the router and the Wi-Fi access point in the middle of the house. I'll have this access point over on this side of the house, and then we'll have one downstairs on the other side of the house, which should give us really good 5 GHz coverage. And if that works out pretty good, I'll probably disable 2.4 GHz and just go straight to 5 by itself. Just seems a little bit faster to me. Especially, it just gives you a better connection overall, since not many people use 5 GHz. But that's how my network is set up now. We have this one, which is connected to the power line, which hooks up everything on my desk via Ethernet, which goes to the switch and the main router. So that's the new setup with the Linksys 1900 ACS router.